So you've just started using Braze, or maybe you just like a challenge like me, and man, it would be great to ship something out the door as quick as you can. I got you. Now I'm assuming Braze is all set up, you're ready to roll, and you've added your email as a user. And we're going to do this with canvases because they're, you know, just a little bit cooler than campaigns. Convince me otherwise in the comments. And what's so cool about this challenge for me is I'll have no idea if I make it in under 60 seconds until I edit this video. Quick disclaimer before we start, always do your testing in a staging environment, not in production, and be very careful at the audience step if you're new to Braze. You don't need this thing going to random users. All right, now that I've wiped my hands of all responsibility, let's set the timer and go. First click Canvas in the dashboard menu, then click Create Canvas in the top right. Choose a canvas name. We're going to use Test Sandbox for this video. I like to write titles in snake case because it doesn't fail on old computers, but if you hate old technology, write whatever you want. Next, to sign a conversion event, you need at least one to move on, so we'll use the classic Start Session. Then click Entry Schedule, click Enter Users as soon as Canvas is launched, click Target Audiences, add a filter called Testing Email Address, and type in the email address you've added for yourself in Braze. Do not leave the audience page blank or choose a production segment or do literally anything except use your own email address here, or this message will get blasted to a lot of people. Seriously, don't do that. We can skip send settings for now because it's just us and click Build Canvas. Grab a message step from the left sidebar, drag it onto the canvas and connect it up. Click on the green part of the message step to edit it. We're going to select email as the content type and drag and drop editor to make this quick. Pick literally any template, update it if you want, but it really doesn't matter, and click Done. If everything looks good and there's no error messages on the launch button in the bottom right, click Launch Canvas. Then we wait, and boom! Just like that, an email in your inbox. Easy. Stop timer. I wonder if I made it in under 60 seconds.
Oh, what a loser!
Now, just some notes. Once you hit launch, some sections of the canvas, such as conversion events, can no longer be edited. So in production, only launch messages when you are happy with your setup. And I can't reiterate enough how important it is to make sure your audience is correct before you launch anything. Today, however, we're just trying to get something out the door and into your inbox so we can learn some Braze and feel pretty chuffed that we shipped a message. Time to call your manager and ask for a promotion. Oh, and while you're at it, tell them to subscribe to this channel for more Braze tutorials and challenges. And remember, it's okay to do things just for fun.